What is going on, guys? Hess here, and I have a video for you guys of a bunch of random pickups that I ended up getting through the last couple weeks. Figured I'd show you guys some of the pickups, and I have some old ones like the Complexcon stuff that I never really showed you, and then these are just some of the recent ones that I ended up picking up from some of the other videos if you haven't checked them out. But let's go ahead and get into the video and show you these 6 pairs right here. If you guys missed out on some of my other videos, I did pick up the Travis Scott 1 lows, and I ended up buying these from StockX for 800 bucks for my birthday present. Also, something that I've been really wanting to do is lace swap these guys, so I finally did it. And I love the way it looks. I know a lot of people are going to be like, those look terrible. But honestly, though, I like it, though. It gives it that full Reese's Puffs vibe, I guess, if you will. But honestly, I just love the combination of orange and browns. I think that they just look really good together. So I ended up doing that. But the way I got these laces is I took my pair of Timberlake 3s and then removed the orange laces from these. So this is a Justin Timberlake Travis Scott collab right here with the laces. But I had to put the pink laces on Timberlake's because I thought these ones actually look really good like this. It kind of gives it like that Yeezy look to it, like pretty dope actually. I really like the pink laces on the Man in the Wood 3s. I don't know, leave a comment in the comment section. What do you guys think? Good, bad, Travis Scott 1s, good, bad, Timberlakes. Would this be a good collaboration? Like, can you see Timberlake and Travis Scott actually doing like an actual music collaboration? That would be kind of crazy. And then also, if you guys missed my Vegas trip video, I did pick up these from the UN down there. So this is the Travis Scott 4s. And I'm happy that I bought these. Honestly, the prices have gone up on these and the Travis Scott one since I bought them. But regardless of that, this is just one of those ones that I really wanted as well. I still want the highs, but I'm not paying $1,800 for those, so we'll wait those out and hopefully the prices drop. And then I did post a review of these already as well. Shout out to Hibbett Sports for the satin black toes. This colorway is super, super nice, and I'm real thankful that they sent these over as well. So check out those videos. If you guys missed those, a little plug there. But getting into this video, but starting off, we have a pair of Converse here, and really insane looking pair. It doesn't say anything about a collab on the box, but this is a Chinatown Market collaboration. As you could see on the insole right there, it says Chinatown Market. It also says it on the tongue as well. But these look like just a white pair of sneakers, but the craziest thing is these actually change color. If you go indoors and outdoors, it actually changes color of these shoes. And I tested it out. It's absolutely bonkers. Let's go ahead and try it though. I do have a light right here that I could test these out on, so you can see what happens when you do this. Check this out. Like, look at the color on this. So this is one of them, and you can see it's like orange and pinkish on one. And this one is blue and purple, as you can see right there. When you go outside, though, it's definitely a lot more vibrant. But I love what they did with these things. And this technology is something that's been out there for a while. There's a dude on Instagram that does a lot of color changing customs. And honestly, I've heard a lot of people wanting me to try them, but I haven't done it yet. I thought it would do something really crazy to the film of the shoe. And it definitely does leave a weird film. It's kind of like a weird, dingy feel to the shoe. But this was a pretty cool collab. Chinatown Market, only $110, and one that's really, really vibrant and pastel looking when you get these things in the daylight. So if you wear these in daylight, they're not going to look white. If you wear them at night, they're just going to be pretty much all white. You guys should have already seen a video on these as well. This is a Tailwind Quick Strike. This is my version, though. I ended up burning these Stranger Thing joints, and check out my other video if you haven't seen it. But I thought this was super fun to be able to do, like just really destroy a pair of these Tailwinds and just burn them up and see what it looks like on the other side. Really cool collaboration though. And here's just a plain looking one so you could see the difference between the two. I think that the execution was really, really good. The box, the theme, everything was great. Check out my other video for more information on that. Moving on, we got a little 350. This one I got from the Yeezy restocks that we had the other day, which was insane. But I did not get anything for myself, but I did secure a pair of the Landmarks for the little dude. Just a fun pair for him to just beat up and ride his little bike around on. Cool looking shoe, and I'm glad they're making kid size. It's just kind of fun to get a pair of Yeezys for the kid. Not like he cares, but I mean, honestly, he goes barefoot 9 times out of 10, but it is what it is. Got another pair of Air Jordan 1s, and shout outs to my buddy Hawks. He helped me out and got me a pair of the Defiant joints right here for under retail, which was super dope to actually get a pair under retail. But the Defiant Air Jordan 1's the second version, I guess, of the Defiance. And this one is just weird and crazy. You could see with the red stitching up the side how they did this kind of weird little mock swoosh right here. And then on the inside it is yellow, so you can see the yellow. It has red stitching all around the black tumbled leather, white tumbled leather on the shoe. And it's actually decent quality leather on the shoe. Something different that you don't see too much though, a leather tongue. I don't know if people call that out or not, but it's a leather tongue, not a nylon tongue, which is kind of cool that they changed it up. Then you also have a patch right here on the side for the Wings logo that is embroidered onto the leather. So that's kind of a nice little touch to the shoe as well. But Defiant ones, if you guys actually want to see a full detailed review of these, leave a comment in the comment section and I can try to do so. Kind of a sleeper colorway. The retail was a little high on these though at $175. Luckily for me though, I don't have to pay taxes, but there we go. I also went to the Nike employee store the other week and picked these up there. This is the Air Max 90 Be True, as you could see. Really crazy like theme on this one. Actually, I really think that they executed this one dope. It's kind of like a Crayola looking Air Max 90, and you can see pink, orange, green, purple, yellow, red, and then you have all of the swooshes up right here like this, layered on top of each other in kind of a rainbow effect. But this is kind of awesome because they're all embroidered separately, which is cool. Black mudguard on the side right here in leather, and then all the way around Nike Air on the back. And this is kind of cool too because you can see it doesn't say Nike, it's just all blacked out like a bar. I like it. It looks kind of cool. Clear tongue, no Nike branding or anything like that on the tongue. The inside is pink down here, and it does say Be True. I love the colorful theme of the shoe. I think it was executed really good. And then the box is super dope too, how it has that crazy rainbow effect on it right there. So cool looking pair of Air Max 90s in my opinion, so I caught those. And to go with the Stranger Things, I also did get a pair of the Cortezes, which is kind of cool. And something I didn't show you on the other pair, which is really dope here, but it came with some pins. So there's the van and it says Star Court for the mall, and then the Stranger Things pin. So kind of cool that they added those in. Not 100% sure if I'm going to keep these ones though, because I got these ones first and then I secured the Tailwinds. I didn't realize I had the option to get both of them. Honestly, I would have preferred the Blazers, but they didn't have them on Nike.com. But I already have a detailed review on these, so check the channel. So that's a look at all the sneakers. I still have some more stuff to show you guys, though, from the Complexcon haul. So I didn't go to Complexcon Chicago, but Seth Fowler did. I reached out to him and asked if he can get me some merch and stuff, and he said he would do it. So thank you to Seth for doing that. I appreciate him very much for doing that, because without him, I wouldn't have been able to get the umbrella. So some of them he got me, some of the stuff I got myself after Complexcon. But I never showed you guys this stuff, which is hilarious. But this panda like bear shirt was super dope. I love the way this one looked with the flowers in the back, Murakami flowers, and then that crazy panda on it. And then on the front, it has a little panda bear also. I think I got this one in black and in white. Another black t-shirt with the Murakami flower on the front with this mutated one. As you can see, the two faces. And then on the back, they have a huge flower pot and a skull. And there's 3 flowers there in black. And just a super clean, simple one, and really like this shirt as well. I also have a color mutated flower one that I got in the kid size for Harrison, and he basically just took the shirt and wore it, and I didn't get it back. Here is the white version of the panda shirt right here. Super cool, man. I really like this one. Apparently, I liked it so much, I actually bought a second one, so I have another one in white, same exact size. And it looks like I got a second one of the black one with the flowers and the skull on the back. So I got 2 of those each. Ended up getting a hoodie here for the wife. I don't know if she's going to even want it, but Chicago hoodie with the flower right here. Either the wife or the kid, maybe. It's a medium. I think it's a youth medium on that one, so we'll see what happens there. And then I also did get one of these myself. So it says Chicago with the Murakami flower right there. And then I also got another small panda shirt right here. I also did get a Chicago t-shirt in black and I think one other t-shirt. Every time I go to Complexcon Long Beach in the last 2 or 3 years now, I've bought a bunch of Murakami merch. And just a bunch of t-shirts. I also got the mug this time, not the color changing one. I really wanted that one, but I swooped in too late. And I totally forgot, but I did buy a deck as well with the flowers and the skull pot on the bottom, which is a cool one. I really like this deck as well. But I bought this one because they had it available on Complexcon's site, and it was $150, super expensive for a deck. But I thought it'd be cool, little like wall piece maybe. I also do have some trucks and some wheels that I need to put together another deck. Harrison's going to have my Supreme board that I have right now, and then I can have this one for myself later. But anyways, that is a recent haul of stuff. Lots of randomness in this video. If you guys enjoy these videos, leave a like on the video. Let me know so I will continue to do them in the future. And hopefully you guys are having a great day. Subscribe if you're new to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And hit that notification bell to be notified of when the videos actually go live. But have a great one. We'll see you guys for some more videos soon, though, hopefully. Peace, guys.